Bases are found in cleaning products that we use commonly in our day-to-day life. Today we will be talking about bases. We will be touching on how to use the pH roadmap, how to test red and blue litmus paper, and a few facts and examples on bases.
I'm going to be showing you if a substance is basic or acidic by using red and blue litmus paper and pH indicator paper. So here we have two different substances. This one is ammonia and this one is water. And if it is a base, the red paper will turn blue, but if it's an acid, the paper will stay red, and vice versa with the blue paper. So now we're going to dip each strip of paper into the substances. So here's the blue into the ammonia, and as you can see, it stays blue, which means it's a base. And now we'll dip the red into the ammonia as well. And it is blue, showing that it's a base. Now for the pH paper. What you do with the pH paper is you dip it into the substance and then hold it up to the indicator to determine its pH. So let's do that. As you can see, it gets dark really fast, so it is a 12 on the pH scale. Now for water, as you can see, when we dip the pH paper, it turns pretty yellow color towards the end, showing that it's pretty neutral. And same with the red and blue litmus paper. The red stays red, and the blue stays blue, showing it is neutral.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw the pH roadmap and also how to use it. First, we're going to draw the H. Then right here we'll put the pH. And then right to the right of that, we'll put the POH. And above that, the OH. Now we've drawn the pH roadmap. For example, say we're given ammonia, which is a pH of 12, and we want to find the OH. In the process of that, we'd find the POH, and then from there, we'd go to the OH. Okay, we're going to find the POH now, which is this formula right here. The pH is 12, and then we're going to subtract that from 14, which will give us 2. I'm now going to write down the formula from POH to OH. Okay, we know the POH is 2, so we're just going to plug that into the formula. And now we'll go to the calculator to find the answer. We now know the answer is 0.01, and that's the OH. And from there, we can even go to find the H, but that's not our problem. That's Trevor's problem. Okay.
Here are a few facts. Bases are always higher than 7 on the pH scale. When bases react with an acid, it neutralizes and forms salts. Bases dissolve dirt and grease. They're highly corrosive, slippery, and they conduct electricity when dissolved in water.